everybody, my name is Jemma Mae and today I'm going to do this Gothic Larme inspired makeup look for you. This is the final look, so if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe so you can watch more cute videos from me and funny videos, hopefully. I mean, I think I have a sense of humor, but I don't know, I guess that's up for debate. But if you are into Larme makeup or into cuteness, then give this video a thumbs up. Let's go on and start the tutorial. So I already have my base makeup on because you guys see me do that all the time in videos, so I figured I would just like skip that step. So I believe the next step will be eyebrows, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm using this Precisely My Brow Benefit pencil in number 4, I believe. Yeah, I'm just popping that on my brows. For the brows, we're gonna go for a straight look because the straight brows look kind of solemn and sad, and that's what Larme means. Basically, Larme means tear, so we want them to look kind of sad. So straight brows, I think, are the best shape for that. Now I'm just gonna go over with a little bit of this like more ashier tone powder. It's NYX's Eyebrow Cake Powder. Taking the lighter color, I'm just kind of powdering the here, not the middle, the front here. So for eyes, I'm just gonna start off with this blush that I have from Clinique. I've had it for a really long time, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that underneath my eyes. Kind of look like I've been crying. I think I'm gonna take that same blush and I'm gonna put it on the outer corners of the eye. I think I'm gonna take Lace Teddy from this Too Faced Natural Love palette. I was gonna be like Natural Born this way. I was like, no, that's not, that's a different product. I'm taking Lace Teddy just because I think it's kind of a good starting color. So I'm just kind of taking it and putting it on the inner part of my eyes. I've been using my fingers a lot to blend lately just because I can't be bothered with washing makeup brushes, but I still get a lot of compliments on my makeup, so you know, honestly, I feel like life hack, just use your fingers to blend your makeup and it'll look just as good, or maybe not as good, but like still good, you know. And I'm gonna take Push Up and I'm gonna put that on the lower half of the lids, like near my lash line. I'm sort of like gently blending it up. I'm taking that same color and I'm putting a tiny bit on my outer lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take Chocolate Martini and I'm gonna put that like really close to my lash line. And then kind of blend it upwards if you can. Ooh, it's an intense color. I'm also kind of blending that into the outer V as well. Now I'm gonna pull that color down to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and attempt to kind of round out and blend out these edges. I kind of realized that I forgot to contour my face, so I'm just going to do that really quickly. I'm going to take some Fairy Tale, which is one of my favorites, and just kind of stick that in the inner corner and like inner half-ish, inner third, I guess, of the eye. Now I'm going to take a nude pencil and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Now I'm going to take my favorite liquid liner. This is Dolly Wink's eyeliner in black. I'm not sure. I'm going to do a slightly droopy but thin, natural looking wing. Not sure exactly how to explain that, but it looks something kind of like this. Now I'm going to take that same blush from earlier and I'm going to put it all over my cheeks and over my nose, kind of like this. Now I'm going to take some red eyeshadow I have here from this NYX palette, and I'm going to put even more red underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to take Pink Opal from the Alchemist Holographic Palette from Kat Von D, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks and highlight with it. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use my trusty BECCA highlight, and I'm going to use that on my nose and above my brows and my forehead and my chin and all places like that. Now for my favorite part, black lipstick, I am using Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit. And I almost forgot eyelashes, so I'm gonna go back in and put on some mascara. And the final touch, I think I'm gonna put a tiny bit of lip gloss. So here is the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you try this look out. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I'm there at Jemma_Mae_, so check it out. And yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you keep on smiling. I will see you in my next video. Bye! I hope